Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cooking turkey legs in the air fryer. If you do not have an air fryer, please get one. Go ahead and start seasoning your turkey leg. I have put all of my ingredients on the screen. You want to go ahead and rub all the seasoning all over the turkey leg. You want to make sure that it is evenly coated around and in any nooks that you may see. In the air fryer, I do cut it on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then I open up the air fryer and flip the legs and lightly spray with oil, then close it back for another 10 minutes. Now that your turkey legs are done, look at them, how crispy it is, and in the inside it is very juicy.